Welcome back to the quizzers. Yum. It's the food emoji quiz. Can you guess the food from these emoji clues? Let's test your knowledge. Let's go. Which food could this be? It's shepherd's pie. Which fruit is this? And the answer is pear. How about this? It's cottage pie. This one. Of course, it's pineapple. Which food does this spell out? It's pineapple upside down cake. This one. The answer is beef Wellington. Which British dish is this? And the answer is toad in the hole. Which food and drink place chain do these emojis represent? It's Starbucks. And which British dish is this? Answer is bubble and squeak. Which soup is this? It's cock-a-leekie. Which food does this spell out? Of course, it's cheese corn ball. Guess the food from these emoji. It's milkshake. This one. It's popcorn. How about this? And the answer is carrot cake. How about this? The answer is sweet corn soup. And what about that? It's cookie. This one. And the answer is hot wings. Which food does this spell out? It's bread omelette. Guess the food from these emoji. Of course it's pepper cheese bread. Guess the food from these emoji. It's pepper garlic spaghetti. Thanks for watching.